In today's video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY and the Auertech. We'll explore their features, capacities, and prices to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in! When it comes to price, the COSTWAY model is significantly more affordable at $159, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Auertech model is priced at $269, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. While the COSTWAY offers great value, the Auertech justifies its higher price with enhanced functionality. In terms of washing capacity, the COSTWAY machine can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Auertech model boasts a larger capacity of 18 pounds, allowing users to wash more clothes in a single cycle. This makes the Auertech a better choice for larger households or those with heavier laundry needs. One of the key differences between these two models is the presence of a drain pump. The COSTWAY machine does not have a drain pump, which means users must manually drain the water after washing. In contrast, the Auertech comes equipped with a built-in drain pump, making it easier to remove water after each cycle. This feature adds convenience and efficiency to the washing process. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and Auertech portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is perfect for those on a budget or with limited laundry needs, while the Auertech offers superior capacity and features for a higher price. Consider your specific requirements and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.